Hi, I'm Laura Tran,
I'm Jason Lee.
and we are discussing stocks today. So, what's going on this week?
This week is the beginning of all the financial sector, like bank. They are starting to report their financial status.
Okay.
We're going to be having Wells Fargo, Citibank,
Mm-hmm.
and some other bank starting this Friday.
Okay. And you're going to be discussing the CPI this week. Can you tell us a little bit about what it is?
Yes, I'm glad you asked because this week on Thursday, before the market opens,
Mm-hmm.
the CPI report will comes out. CPI stands for Consumer Price Index. What it does, it measures the inflation, the cost, the prices that the consumer are spending.
Mm-hmm.
So if the CPI report is good, meaning it's lower than what we expect, then it's good. The Fed is not going to raise the rate. But if the CPI report turns out to be really bad, the Fed most likely will continue to raise the rate again.
Hmm. So, why is that? Why is consumer spending affecting the federal rates?
Well, for example, right now we're talking about inflation.
Right.
So let's say it costs you $10 to buy, food. Now it's
Mm-hmm.
cost you $15. So if the report turn out it's cost higher than $15, meaning the Fed has to raise the rate so that businesses will start to lower their prices. Prices start to come down because if prices are keep going up,
We can't afford it.
we can't afford it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So therefore, the Fed's main job is to fight inflation. So, and they are not doing a very good job, to be honest with you. So, unfortunately, so I have to say that. So,
I know, right? Even Arizona iced tea, who's been historically $1, has gone over $1.
man, my favorite chip, hot Cheetos. I,
Cheetos. Oh
I
no.
I used to pay like $1 just for a bag, a small bag. Yesterday, I took my son to the store. It cost $2.49. I was like, this is rocking. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
make that much money. So, but
Yeah.
by the way, so if you are going to look at the CPI report this week,
Mm-hmm.
make sure you're gonna buy stock this week. Remember, I told you anytime when we have a report like CPI or FOMC meeting,
Mm-hmm.
the market will move a lot. Yeah, so you want to buy SPY Strangle. Remember, I talked about Strangle last
Right.
week,
Mm-hmm.
meaning you buy a call
Mm-hmm.
and you buy a put at the same time because we don't know what's the report going to be like.
Right.
If it's good, you're going to be making money. If it's bad, you're still going to be making money because Strangle means you buy a call and put at the same time.
Right.
So make sure on Wednesday afternoon before the market's closed, you get in, you buy a trade, Strangle, and on Thursday morning, you sell it when the market's open because you know you're going to be making money or not right away because the market will move pre-market. As
Okay.
soon as the Fed release the CPI report, or I mean the CPI report come out, you're gonna know whether your trade is gonna be in the money or out of the money right away.
Okay. So buy some stocks Wednesday afternoon before the market closes and see what your results is the next day.
That's right. Option to be exact, buy a strangle, buy a call and a put on Wednesday afternoon, roughly about like before 1 o'clock Pacific time.
Okay.
Okay.
There's some good instructions. Well, do you have anything else to share with us today?
Other than that, no. Yes, I do. I'm actually going to. Well, I told you I'm going to Atlanta,
Atlanta,
Georgia,
yeah.
at the end of this month. But in March, I'm going to OC, California,
Oh,
Orange County, Southern
okay. You're
California.
doing another class over
I'm
there?
doing another class there.
Now,
Yeah.
where can the audience find information about these classes, especially if you're going across the United States?
Good question. I'm actually posting the information on my YouTube channel under the community tab. From there, you can find out the schedule, the class, and all the description and stuff.
Okay, good to know. And on top of his travels, he also does private consultations. So yeah, make sure you guys reach out to him for private classes. And if you're in either Atlanta or OC, he's coming to your city. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for next week.
See you guys next time.
See you guys next time.